Welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Performing and Visual Arts, SOPVA. Diploma in Theatre Arts, DTH. T005 Manual of Classroom Play Production. Play 5 The Quest for Truth. Scene 1. Voice over. Once upon a time, there was a forest. In it, tall trees fanning the sky, brooks with music dearly hidden in their hearts, waterfalls eternally calling out to an unknown lover, birds drawing pictures with their colorful wings, flowers eavesdropping on the murmurings of the wind, and a variety of animals wandering fearlessly. Scene -2. An old monkey is telling a story, animals sitting around him are listening. Monkey. A lightning split the sky and illuminated the entire jungle. Clouds thundered with a deafening noise. Raindrops launched an attack like an invading army. They fell on dry leaves and splintered. The wind cried hoarsely, and the entire jungle shivered in rain and thunder. In such a terrifying atmosphere, Mother Monkey gave birth to baby monkey. Animal kids, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Sing and dance around mother and baby monkey. Mother Monkey. Put the baby down, he tries to walks, sometime falls, he learns to jump, kid help him, he is now 2-year-old. Baby monkey. Ma, who am I? And where did I come from? Mother was a little surprised, but she was happy. Mother, we are all monkeys, my dear, and I'm your mother. She helps him climb the tree. Baby monkey, why does this world look slanted and sometimes upside down? Ma, mother, world is straight my son, but to herself, why do you see it slanted? Baby monkey, ma, why one fruit of the same tree is sweet and another fruit is sour? Mother, unripe fruit is sour and ripe fruit is sweet. Baby monkey, ma, when I try to fly, I am not able to fly. Don't know. Why? Mother, because you are monkey, not a bird, you don't have wings. Baby monkey, so bring one for me, I want to fly, float over the clouds. There in between the mountains, over valley of flowers. Ma, please bring. Mother, okay, I will bring, but till then you will not try to fly. You may also get hurt. Baby monkey, okay mom. Why does the sun do this? Mother, now, what did he do? Baby monkey, comes from here, and goes there, then how does it come from here? Mother, that. Baby monkey, moon also does this, sometimes it becomes round, sometimes thick, sometimes thin, I don't understand. Mother, yes, both are very of mischievous, nothing makes sense. Come with me. Mother takes the little monkey to Saint Monkey. There are baby animals sitting near the Saint Monkey who are loudly repeating the tables, at the same time Mother Monkey telling about questions the little monkey asks. After repeating tables 2 to 3 times, the voice of students fades, they continue without voice. Saint Monkey, if he has asked such questions at this tender age, then there is every danger of him becoming a great man. Baby monkey, is it wrong to ask questions? Saint Monkey, nothing is more profitable in this world than keeping your mouth shut. That's the only reason why everyone respects me. This world has always remained the same. It looked slanted to you, but to me it often appeared to be upside down. But did I ask anybody why is it so? How and why are foolish questions. Logic only makes the tongue sharp, it doesn't add anything to your knowledge. The forest is full of juicy, tasty fruits. Go, savor them. You will realize that there is no greater pleasure than eating. Monkey Baba slipped back into his thoughts. Voice of students raises. Gradually, bell rings, students makes noise and run away. Scene 3. The animals are playing games, but even when called, the little monkey who is now young, does not play with them. He is alone, lost in his thoughts. Then the page of the newspaper comes flying, he reads it, a tableau of human gradual development emerges on the stage. The monkey looks at it curiously. The monkey takes the newspaper and goes to the Saint Monkey. Scene 4. Saint Monkey is doing yogasana. Young monkey, Baba, I have a doubt. Saint Monkey, be brief. Young monkey, it is said in this paper that man has evolved from monkey. Is it true? Saint Monkey, everybody writes according to what they know. We don't have to believe everything. Young monkey, but I want to find out the truth myself. Saint Monkey, what do you intend to do? Young Monkey, I want to go to the human beings. Saint Monkey, it is foolish to think of learning everything by one's own experience. You don't know, men are really wicked. Young Monkey, bless my venture, I'm going. Saint Monkey, alright. Can a seeker's path be blocked with a tail? SCENE 5. Young Monkey set out on his journey. Mother and other animals bid him farewell, with hugs and things for the journey. Mother Monkey, don't forget that I will be eagerly awaiting your return, cries. As soon as the baby monkey stepped into the human arena, a noose fell around his neck. A man appeared from nowhere. Monkey looks at him with surprise. Juggler, I am your master. Pulls the rope, do a cartwheel like a cat, hit him with a stick. Young Monkey, baffled, sir, I'm a monkey, how can I perform like a cat? Juggler, then show some monkey tricks. Scene 6. Juggler hit at him. To escape those blows, the monkey jumped up and down. Hey, dragged the monkey exhibiting the monkey's tricks, he made some quick money. After reaching home, he gave it some food, had his own dinner and went to sleep. The monkey tried to escape but in vain. Next morning, he again paraded the monkey in the streets, coaxed it to perform its tricks, and also taught it some new ones. He used to give the monkey just enough food for him to survive, but regularly gave him 4 blows with the stick. Young Monkey, why do you hit me? Am I not a living being like you? Isn't pain the same to everyone? Juggler, this world understands only one language, the language of the stick. I have learned this by experience. But listening to you, I think you do deserve some mercy. So I will 2 blows instead of 4, when men themselves have taken to monkey tricks to survive, who will care for the real monkey? Hits him with stick, move now. Monkey quietly follows him. Juggler calls people to see the items. Monkey dances, people watch but only few people give money. Man, brother, your show is outdated, try something new. Juggler, yes brother, it matter of this sinful stomach, we'll have to sort it out. Goes with monkey, it's no use, humor is no longer working with the people. It's time to invoke their pity. Ties the monkey, he looks at Juggler with suspicion. Dear friend, this is a sin-filled world. We have to look at it because we have eyes. I am bearing the burden because I have eyes. But is it necessary for you to? The monkey looked at him uncomprehendingly. Try to understand. It is much better to live with blindness than to die of starvation. People are kind-hearted. They will dole out charity generously when they see a blind monkey. Don't worry, I will take out your eyes painlessly. The monkey looked at him with disgust. Young Monkey, are you really human? Juggler, I hit upon such ideas only because I am human. You are an animal. Did you ever think on those lines? Juggler picks the hot metal bars and moved toward monkey. Suddenly, there was a big blast. People ran helter-skelter. Cries of anguish were heard everywhere. Juggler removes the noose. Friend, I'm giving you an opportunity to see the world. Goodbye. He ran away leaving the monkey. Monkey didn't know which way to run. A few people surrounded the monkey with guns and lathis. Gunman, who are you? Hindu or Muslim? Young Monkey, I'm a monkey. Tremblingly, man with lathi, that does not matter. They waved the lathis in air to escape the blows on the head. He did his practiced cartwheel. A strong blow fell on one of his legs and broke the bone and he faints. Scene 7. Injured people are wailed with pain. Nurses are helping them. People are searching for their loved ones. One circus owner is also there. Monkey's one leg is bandaged. Doctor, you are lucky to survive. But monkey looked at her without any emotions. You cannot walk on your 1 feet. Nurse gives him crutch. He cries, you can leave now. Young Monkey, where will I go? Doctor, you are free to live any way you like. Circus owner, come with me. I am an owner of a circus company. Come, I will take you with me. He takes the limping monkey with him. Scene 8. Circus camp. Young Monkey, sir, what is my role in your circus? Circus owner, to entertain the public. Young Monkey, can I weep if I am in pain? Circus owner, you are free to cry, but silently. He put the monkey into the cage and leaves. Young Monkey, to caged animal, where are you from? Animals, from where? We are born and brought up here. Young monkey, you like it here? Animals, of course yes, we daily get a few pieces of meat every day. Where are you from? Young monkey, you like being here? I have come from forest. Animals, from forest. Where is it? Who feeds you there? Young monkey, there is no scarcity of food. Oh, it's a wonderful world. Trees, birds, brooks, sunrise. You people can't even imagine. Lost in his thought, he hums the song. Sound of drums, music etc. Animals are performing their tricks. Monkey performs. On one leg, loud sound of claps. Circus owner pats him. Monkey performs again. But there no applaud. Circus owner, to his assistant, nobody is enamored about monkey tricks. Teach him to play the flute, throws flute. Monkey tries to play flute, assistant whips him. After lot of practice he learns to play it. Assistant leaves, he plays beautiful sad tune, sounds of applaud played. Old monkey, nobody realized this except the monkey that the song was nothing but his tears. As the life became unbearable, the flute acquired new tunes as mother's lullaby, wind chimes, of forest, sad song of the waterfalls. There was no rest, no working hours in the circus. They used to wake him up from deep sleep and drag him onto the stage. Time moved on and monkey was taken to many places. Circus company moved from place to place, and once they happened to camp in a forest. The forest breeze evoked many memories in him. This was his motherland. The smell of the earth touched his basic instincts. Monkey is tired. He wanted to cry loudly and shout at the top of his voice. Hey, tugged at the rope which bound him to the cage with all his might, and here and she runs dragging his feet, puffing and panting, ignoring the wounds on the body. Towards the forest, he kisses the earth again and again. Mother and other animals recognize him and hug him. Mother monkey sobs, touches his lame feet, caressing all over. He wiped his mother's tears. He walked straight to the Saint Baba and shouted loudly, Young monkey, Baba, Baba, Baba. Saint monkey, Baba embraced the monkey and looked at his crooked, broken leg. There is no better teacher than experience. Young monkey, Baba, I have found a truth. Saint monkey, affectionately caressing monkey's leg, yes, I can see at what cost. Young monkey, Baba, if evolution is to grow from low level to heights, it is wrong to assume that mean men have evolved from noble monkeys. It is a fact that monkeys are born from men. Every person who has a quest for truth should pay a price for it, including myself. Old monkey, including myself, drags his feet and goes into the forest. Silently, after a while, the entire forest was filled with music from the flute. The end. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.